Are you struggling to find the source code directory in your Gradle plugin? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you how to get the directory of your Java files in a Groovy plugin. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to navigate your project structure and you can't find the right path. Many developers have faced this challenge, and it's completely normal. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I get the directory of my Java files in a Groovy plugin?" They provided an example path and are looking for a way to extract just the source directory. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's the equivalent of Maven's build.get source directory in Gradle? Understanding the project structure and how Gradle handles source sets is key to solving this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your Gradle experience even smoother. To get the source code directory in a Gradle plugin, the user should first access the project structure. This can be done by using the project property to retrieve the source sets. Next, the user needs to identify the main source set. This is typically named main and contains the Java files. The user can access it by referencing the source sets. Now, the user can retrieve the Java source directory from the main source set. This is done by accessing the Java property of the main source set. Finally, the user can extract the path they need. To get the relative path, they can convert the file to a string and manipulate it as necessary. Fun fact, Gradle is named after a small, fast-moving animal, the Gradle lizard. Just like this lizard, Gradle helps you move quickly through your builds. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that in Gradle, source folders are managed by source sets, which are provided by the Java plugin. Once the Java plugin is applied, you can access the source sets and their properties by name. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the Kotlin DSL in Gradle. They suggest accessing the Java plugin extension and retrieving the main Java source set. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach from another user suggests using the Kotlin DSL in Gradle 7.5. They recommend registering a Jacoco report task that depends on the test debug unit test task. You can access the source directories by getting the source sets from the Kotlin project extension. Additionally, they mention that besides the Java plugin extension, there is also a Kotlin Android project extension, which could help you avoid using the Android Gradle plugin in community plugins. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep your build.gradle organized. A well-structured build file can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You now know how to get the source code directory in your Gradle plugin. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more Gradle insights.